It is incredible that in order to allow Pakistanis to watch free high-definition TV channels, this simple and small factory in Peshawar uses very low-cost iron sheet materials to hand-roll satellite pot covers with high-cost performance. The iron sheet, with a thickness of less than 1 centimeter, is the raw material for making satellite pot covers. Workers will use the original rules to mark the iron sheet and then use this extremely sharp. The sharp tetanus scissors are used to cut the iron sheet carefully. The teacher then uses the pot cover. Those who have watched TV know that this kind of satellite pot cover has a simple structure and is cheap. The most important thing is that watching TV is no longer charged separately. In places with good signals, you can also watch Rare Love and martial arts channels. In order to improve the efficiency of sampling, the workers will first sample the iron sheet into a shape similar to a blade, and then patiently and carefully sample along the marked line to remove the excess iron sheet. This process seems quite simple, but it is actually very challenging for the workers to inspect the sample. After the workers have successfully inspected the prototype iron sheet, they need to make the iron sheet into a pot cover. Before the formal production, they need to use the original specification to mark the iron sheet. This mark is the key to ensure that the iron sheet and the suspension press drive shaft are at the same center. Then the workers turn on the power of the suspension press, and the suspension press starts to drive the iron sheet to rotate at high speed. The workers first need to shape the buoyan. This is because the iron sheet material is relatively thin, so they need to use iron rods to curl the iron sheet. This not only makes its edges more beautiful, but more importantly, it can enhance the structural stability of the pot cover. Then the workers will start shaping the iron sheet from the center while applying pressure to the iron sheet and slowly moving the position of the iron rod to apply pressure. Although the whole process is purely manual, the work is done, but the traces of processing are no less than those of machines. It only took less than 2.5 minutes for a round iron sheet to be shaped into an iron pot. And this iron pot is the key component for the TV to receive satellite signals. Its shape is a rotating parabola. Its main function is to reflect the weak electromagnetic wave signals emitted by the satellite and focus them on the source receiving head to improve the reception quality of the satellite signal. Since the satellite pot cover needs installed in a wide open field, the working environment is quite bad, so the next step is to treat the surface of the pot cover. The workers will hang the pot cover on the indoor bracket and then use electrostatic spraying to evenly spray a layer of powder on its surface. Although the workers here use headscarves as mats, if the cover is covered for 2 years, the youngest will be in unbearable pain and will be buried directly. Then the workers will put it in the drying room. In the middle and later stages, the liquefied system is used to heat the pot lid at high temperatures. The powder on the surface of the pot lid will solidify at high temperatures to form a strong and durable protective coating. Meanwhile, workers on the other side are producing the base for supporting the pot lid. After welding and assembling the cut iron feet, a very stable pot lid base is produced at the same time. Then, an adjustable length support rod needs to be installed between the base and the pot lid. This way, the support rod can be adjusted to the length of the support pole, is used to adjust the receiving angle of the satellite signal. Next, when the workers install the fixing bracket of the return receiving head, it can be sold after the return receiving head is fixed on the bracket so that every Pakistani can watch free high-definition TV channels.